put your hands up, now put your hands up. All my brothers in the house, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Whoa, Sita na iyong gopea whakaloloma ka foaia e loto fiu hono kuma ka kohai si ato atene lava ke tala ai mawai mohoto kaunga tangata. Hear my brother, it's hard to say this life be of a getaway. The pain we share, time no spare, but I wish up for a better day. Many times, so hard, make a bet. You may need me, but it's hard to forget. I'ma stay true to the crew, stand like a man in the hood you salute. Take your mind and remember the past. Remember the past. It was what we did to last. Look and remember the brothers too. So unforgettable, brother of our time. We'll be sticking together. It's all in our mind. We'll be kicking forever till the end of our life. Ain't no looking behind. It's all in our mind. Well, we're hanging forever till the end of our time. When we're sticking together, it's all in our mind. Well, we're kicking forever till the end of our life. Ain't no looking behind. It's all in our mind. Well, we're hanging forever. Throw them hands up. Give me this, give me that, move from both. Back in the days, give me that boat. Hustle be a hustle, what? Give me that hug. Move that tree, move that tree. Whoa, whoa, give me that chick. Must be a wish, but it's all from me. This song's out to my homies. Come, tell me now, brother, join me, see some high. I don't know what I'm up about, cause lucky did you see my eyes. Sometimes I feel lonely for living as a homie. Oh Lord, please tell me where's all of my homies. A golden unforgettable brother. You can remember when we used to kai haka. We all share what we have, no kaka. So brother to brother, we love one another. Time we'll be sticking together. It's all in our mind. We'll be kicking forever till the end of our life. Ain't no looking behind. It's all in our mind. Now we're hanging forever till the end of our time. We'll be sticking together. It's all in our mind. We'll be kicking forever till the end of our life. Ain't no looking behind. It's all in our mind. Now we're hanging forever. I sit and watch my homie struggle every day of our life. When will we see and get some money instead of pockets and knife? I sit and wonder when I dream and take a sip of that sky. It's hard for me to forget me and my crew getting high. So population of hate, just stay awake on generation, cause we be hoping and hoping for unforgettable nation. And I say, my brother,